Welcome back to the channel. Crypto news for those of you who haven't. Have an account to buy, sell, and trade. You can open a Bitcoin account above Binance floor, follow the link I provided. Description to receive a 10% discount on delivery fees. Lifetime translation and today's information. Bitcoin rose to $71,000. Start April with positive signals. Same active hedge fund manager. Mark Yusko believes that the blockbuster year of Bitcoin is just getting started. Interview on CNBC CEO. Morgan Crick Investment Fund expressed happiness regarding Bitcoin, what he calls token dominance and a better golden color than Yusko. Say after having you get a lot of things. Many people care about property. FOMO participates and we usually reach to approximately 2 to 3 times the fair value. Times during the cycle Yusko locked in value. Reasonable in this cycle at approximate $75,000 was event-driven. Having but is reduced compared to the value. Potentially $100,000 due to delivery fees. Translated from command and inscription this time I think maybe twice as much because there's less leverage, therefore we believe Bitcoin reaches $150,000. Yusko noticed a price increase occurring. Came out about 9 months later, having happened on April 20th. Once that happens, demand increases while new sources of money arise. Bitcoin decline begins to increase along the way. Parabon at year-end and historically. About 9 months after joining us. See the price peak before the market. Morgan Crick's fund's next bearish price. Yusko only invests about 20% in Bitcoin. But the stocks and companies involved. Harder to sell than the underlying asset at times. Hey, Yusko talks about mining companies, Bitcoin and hardware manufacturing companies. Mining events like AMD and Nvidia. We are at an unacceptable valuation. We like things like Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche according to analyst Ali. Bitcoin accumulation trend point shows strong accumulation pattern even if Bitcoin sideways near all-time highs. This is the time when this trend is shown graphically through color changes. Hue represents a transition from tone cooler to warmer tones associated with. The purple peak indicates the stage. Accumulate more strongly than one another information. Also very notable last weekend. Ripple's legal director Stuart Alderoty has responding to Coinbase loss to the SEC on March 27. Judge Catherine PFA asked the SEC to proceed with the lawsuit against Coinbase alleging brokerage. The securities have not yet registered the judge's decision. The verdict helped the SEC win temporarily before Coinbase in the review. His essay Alderoty criticized the decision. Court decisions show that the SEC can convince the judge with arguments. The SEC basically sold the unfounded argument. Let me negotiate a bill of goods. She had to accept it was right at the stage. This case is early stages though. The legal process could benefit the SEC. But the upcoming challenge does present itself. Specific evidence to support the claim. Their chief legal officer of Ripple News. That the SEC's legal actions against. Again, Coinbase is more of a show-off than that. Alderoty actually supports the view. Yourself by mentioning the incident. Previously in the XRP lawsuit in which the judge dismissed expert witnesses due to. The SEC put this out highlighting skepticism. His about the SEC's ability to provide convincing evidence. Draw similarities between the Coinbase lawsuit took place and the previous legal battle. Of Ripple, chief legal officer of Coinbase, Paul Gual, commented that the transaction was real. Disclosure of internal communications of SDC regarding money regulations. Electronics in the XP trial have fluctuated between 58 cents and 68 cents in the last 2 weeks, but anything is possible. Soon XP fluctuations are in progress. Token consolidation does not have much fluctuation. Shows that investors may have to wait longer for everything to turn to cents. The price increase on XP's daily chart has changed. Dynamic in a range for more than 2. Last week after its value dropped in March 15 after touching 72 cents. The price has plummeted to 58 cents since then. It has moved between 58 cents to 68 cents if XP breaks through resistance. Resistance to $0.648 in the coming days. We can expect its value will hit its highest level this April. Surpass short-term peak in March. C. Consider the level of liquidation. The liquidation level of XRP will increase near that resistance area if the token holds its ground though. High liquidation, then you are directed to the level. Its March high looks decent. Clear although the liquidation level seems lost. Important, but the same cannot be said for on-chain's metrics. XRP data of sentiment shows the line. Its transaction fee has decreased later, when it spiked on March 27. A similar trend has been noted. Token exchange inflow yes. Looks like investors are not positive. XRP trading during this period. Token's MVRV rate also decreased in a few days. This past day was also a sign. Reduce the price in addition to the NVT ratio of XRP. Sudden increase and year-end whenever. This figure has increased significantly. That an asset is overvalued. Signaling price will decrease in the coming days. To however MACD indicator of XRP4. See a clear price increase advantage in the market. Market Relative Strength Index RSI of. It also shows a slight increase over the level. Neutral, this shows the value of XRP may increase in April and there. This is the content of today's video. Hi. Hope you will like my information. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to support me in making the next videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye and see you again.